Welcome, friend. Let us begin today's practice by finding ourselves in a comfortable, seated position, back straight, but relaxed. And if it feels comfortable, gently closing your eyes. There's nothing to do right now except to be here. Now gently bringing your awareness to the breath, noticing the sensation of air entering through your nose and flowing out, feeling the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each inhale and exhale. And if you find trouble connecting with the breath, perhaps you can listen to the sounds around you. Explore what works best for you today. Now, expanding your awareness to include your body. As you continue to breathe, bringing your attention to the top of your head. Noticing any sensations you may feel here. Perhaps there's warmth, or even a little tingling. Moving your awareness gently down your face. Noticing if there's any tension across your forehead, around your eyes, or maybe in your jaw. And with each exhale, invite these areas to soften. Now bringing your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Noticing any tightness or tension here. As you breathe in and breathe out, seeing if you can release any tension, perhaps letting your shoulders drop a bit to relax. Now continuing to move your attention down your arms, feeling the sensations all the way down to your hands and fingertips. Are they warm, cool, or neutral? Simply observe. Now shifting your awareness towards your chest. Noticing the rise and fall with each breath. Feeling your body expand and contract naturally. Moving down into your belly, observe the subtle movements as you breathe, and let your abdomen soften with each exhale. Now bringing your awareness down to your hips and pelvis, noticing any sensations or areas of tightness here. and allowing these areas to soften with each breath. Gently guiding your attention down through your legs, noticing the weight of your thighs, your knees, your calves, and finally your feet resting against the ground. Feeling any sensations of contact, pressure, and perhaps noticing how your individual toes feel today. Now taking a moment to feel your entire body as a whole. Sitting here, connected with the ground beneath you. Your breath flowing in and out. Your body soft and supported. And if at any point your mind begins to wander, noticing where it goes. There's no need to judge or engage with the thoughts. Just simply acknowledge them. Then gently guide your attention back to the breath or the sensations in your body. Now taking a few moments to rest in the stillness of your body and breath. Allowing yourself to be present with whatever is here. There's nothing you need to change, nothing you need to achieve. Simply being with yourself in this moment. And as we come to the close of this practice, taking a moment to appreciate the stillness and awareness that you've cultivated today. Noticing how your body feels, noticing the quality of your breath, and remembering this practice of mindfulness is always available to you. You can return to your breath and body at any moment throughout the day, reconnecting with a sense of ease and presence.